everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lynn Effia, and today Mama did make a nice hairstyle for me. Oh, and remember to hit the notification bell and hit the subscribe button. And also, if you want to see more, then just type Lynn Effia. So goodbye. Goodbye.
So guys, as you can see, her hair is very dry. It looks dry. Trust me, I already moisturized it with oil, but because her hair is low porosity, it's mostly looks so dry. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to trim her ends. I tried this hairstyle for her and I loved it because it gave her hair very moisturized look and the moisture was in, and I love it. It took like 2 weeks. It stayed like 2 weeks and I love it. These are the products that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Eco Styling Gel, Castor Oil, and also coconut oil. So I'm now going to apply coconut oil to her hair and then brush it through, and after brushing it I will spray water on it so that it will make it a little bit moist for me and easy for me to finger coil. I'm now going to add gel, that is the Eco Styler gel and castor oil. So that's what I'm going to use. After that I'm going to use my finger to finger coil, and it looks like this hairstyle will take you ages before you finish. No guys, it's not like that. It took me less than 30 minutes to finish this hairstyle, and I was so glad that I did it, and Lynn was also happy about it. So yeah, it's well did and we love it. So guys, you can try if you have this kind of hair texture, and yeah, low porosity, this hairstyle is best for you to do. So guys, keep on watching, and you can't believe it, this hairstyle, we just leave it for like 2 weeks, and the longer it takes, the bigger and nicer it becomes. So it was nice doing this, guys. Keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our videos. It really mean a lot to us. So look here, I'm going to use the blow dryer to dry her hair. It wasn't that hot, it was warm, and not so hot. You don't have to use too hot to dry her hair, because it's like I use like an air dryer to just dry her hair. And yeah, as you can see, it's nice and the result was fabulous. Keep on watching.
Guys, look at my new hairstyle. Now I'm gonna turn around.
Oh, wait. I need to.
Look, everybody. Did you see that? Okay. That for the unicorn, that for the my channel. Not your channel, it's mine. Guys, welcome to my channel. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lil Effia, and today Mama did make a nice hairstyle for me. Oh, and remember to hit the notification bell and hit the subscribe button. And also, if you want to see more, then just type Lynn Effia. So goodbye. 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 Hello. Yeah. I'm a mother.
Turn your back. Turn your back.
Turn your back to her.
And shake your hair. It's okay.
It's finished.
Wait.
Wow.
Go around. Now waving the camera.
Hi.
Nice.